Hi everyone, this is my first attempt at a YouTube video, so please any advice as to what I could do better would be appreciated. I'm printing this giant articulated slug that I downloaded on printables.com. It was designed by Copper Keep. I've printed many of these slugs for family and friends, but at a lot smaller scale. They were always a hit. So when I received my 5-head Prusa XL printer, I wanted to try a giant slug. My Prusa XL printer had a lot of the same problems that other people were reporting. I had problems with the stringing, print heads crashing and or falling off mid-print, whistling noise when it's picking up the print heads, prints not sticking to the build plate. I did find if I used a satin sheet for printing with PLA, they stuck a lot better. After doing research online and a lot of trial and error, I finally got the printer dialed in and it's printing beautifully. I will create another video in a few months that will show the steps that I went through to get the printer dialed in hopes it'll help someone else. I had one failed start at the beginning with a couple of segments not sticking to the build plate, so I had to add a coating of glue stick and started printing again. As you can see, I had a hard time removing it from the build plate because it stuck so well. When I tried to slightly bend the build plate to remove it, each of the segments of the slug would move with the build plate, so it didn't want to pop off too easily. I ended up having to dampen the build plate to help release the glue from the slug, so it made it easier to remove. The length of the slug is about 18.5 inches, and it weighs about 1.4 kilograms or 3 pounds.
21 gigawatts. My God.